Hey guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix SmartThings app not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, to fix the SmartThings app not working, what we need to do first is you want to make sure that you're using the latest version. So in this case, go ahead and visit Google Play Store here, look for SmartThings, and if you see any button that says update, go ahead and click on it and wait for the update to complete. Sometimes not having the app in its latest version can actually affect its functionality. So meaning, go ahead and update it, but once you've updated it, go ahead and go open it up and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing you want to do is you want to clear your cache. Now look for the SmartThings app here, press and hold in it, click on app info. From here, click on clear data bottom right, and click on clear cache. Now from here, click on OK. So once you've cleared your cache, go ahead and open it up again and see if that solves the issue. Now if none of those work, the last thing or default thing that we could do here is to basically reinstall the app. So go ahead and look for SmartThings again, press and hold in it, and instead of choosing the app info option, click on uninstall to uninstall the app. Once you've uninstalled, go ahead and visit Google Play Store again, look for SmartThings and reinstall it again on your mobile phone. Now, once it's actually installed, go ahead and open it up and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.